guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kristen and I'm obsessed, totally obsessed with decorating, especially for the holidays. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful and elegant tablescape using all Dollar Tree supplies. I did substitute in a couple things that I already had on hand that were affordable as is. They came from the Target dollar spot, but I know that you can find these things from Dollar Tree. I'm going to show you what you can get from Dollar Tree instead. And then the only other thing that did not come from Dollar Tree are the fresh cranberries that I used, but those cost $2 and you can find them at any grocery store this time of year. Dollar Tree may even have frozen cranberries in their freezer section. I'm not sure. It doesn't matter if they're frozen or not because they're just for decor. You don't have to use cranberries if you don't want. You could substitute in something else. Just use your imagination. So before I get into it, I do want to mention today's video is a collaboration with my sweet friend Jen from Clean Living with Jen. She is beautiful inside and out. She does tons of hauls, Dollar Tree stuff, DIYs, cleaning, and she does some Lush things as well, and she is amazing. So please go check out her video, and I would love it if you guys would subscribe while you're watching her video and let her know that I sent you. I know you're gonna love her channel, so I was very excited to collaborate with her. Okay, so with all of that out of the way, let's get into this tablescape and start decorating. Okay, so here is the table I'm decorating. This is my kitchen table, and it's just Jose and I, by the way, so I'm only setting the table for two, but I found this scarf at Dollar Tree, and it makes a really cute table runner.
No man is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm.
Nobody would ever guess that these chargers are from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna link these below for you guys. You buy these online, they're $1 a piece, of course. You can order them in quantities of either 4 or 6 and have them shipped to your store for free.
Chocolate by the fire, 'cause all I want is to spend this day with you.
These are my favorite plates from Dollar Tree. They have a lifted lip on them, and my whole family loves these because they keep the food on your plate really well.
On a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents.
I found this round mirror in the kind of decor section at Dollar Tree, and I thought this would be the perfect tray for my centerpiece.
Ooh. Making plans, what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that
And by the way, Dollar Tree has the best wine glasses. These are actually glass, and I get all my wine glasses from there.
stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow.
These next 3 glass pieces are all from the decor section at Dollar Tree. They're all vases, and I filled them up halfway with water.
While we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire, 'cause all I want is to spend.
Now I'm going to add these fresh cranberries I just picked up at Kroger to my vases.
Moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
So I also found these floating candles at Dollar Tree. I think they are so cool. I would think that any candle would float, but if you're gonna put a candle in water, make sure that it is meant for water.
And drink our chocolate by the fire, 'cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas moment.
I already had these little greeneries on hand. They came off of a stem from the Target dollar spot that looked like this. They look so realistic, but Dollar Tree has greenery as well, like these wired garland ties and so many other options there on their picks and garlands. So definitely check out what Dollar Tree has if you don't have greenery on hand or something you can clip from your backyard. And I'm just gonna put this around the vases and my centerpiece.
La da da da, oh oh oh. La da da da, oh oh oh. La da da da. making our Christmas.
If you guys have been with me for a while, then you know I'm obsessed with paper straws. They just add the cutest touch to your tablescapes and coffee bars. So those ones are probably from Target Dollar Spot, but Dollar Tree has red striped straws identical to that.
But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas.
And the last step to this tablescape, besides pouring yourself a mimosa, is to go ahead and light the candles.
Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree.
Okay, so that is it for the tablescape. I hope that you guys love it as much as I do. I just think it is so beautiful and it just looks way higher end than something from Dollar Tree, and I actually think that this would be so cute for like a winter wedding or maybe just like a winter party of some kind. So I hope that you guys got some ideas from this. And if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not already. If you haven't hit the bell notification, go ahead and do that so you don't miss any of my Christmas content. And I will see you back in a future video. Bye guys.
Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately.